Hello everybody, my name is BDF018 and welcome back to a brand new Technic alternative build. Today we're converting 42102's airport fire truck into a mobile crane. Now I'm looking forward to this build because it has got a rotating crane arm that can also be lifted with front wheel steering. It comes in at 103 pieces across 20 steps. To divide that, you get an average of 5.1 pieces on average per section for today's build. It's a small build, but it looks like it is the little set that could, because this thing can do quite a lot. So let's strip the airport fire truck apart, put the pieces in the recording tubs, and get to today's conversion, the mobile crane. Enjoy. Following complete conversion from 42102's airport fire truck into the mobile crane, and it's really good. It has the front wheel steering as advertised, it has the rotating crane arm as advertised, and the raising crane arm as advertised. This is a really cool little build for only 103 pieces, I believe it said it was. This is fantastic. It's a very simple mechanism to make the crane arm turn, just a stick and a cog, but it's very effective, simply yet effective. This is a great build. I think this would be good for any MOC builder. This is one of the older MOCs, over 4 years old, this MOC. I'm fairly sure this is a 2020 set. And yeah, I just love how simple it is. It's cool, it's easy. It took about 15 minutes to build. This does like to go a bit AWOL sometimes. It is an E360 if it wasn't for this bit of the coke here and this bit here. It would have been fully 360, but that's fine. It is what it is. I like it for what it is. It's a great little set. I'm looking forward to what's coming next, because we have a good few more for 42102 to come. As always, leave your thoughts down below, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. How do you feel about this mobile crane? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Is it for you? Is it not for you? Personally, I think it's great. I think it's a cool little MOC. We have had a great set every single time I built one of these MOCs for 42102. Now, I don't see it stopping anytime soon. With that said, I've been BDF018. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Take care.